What is, yeah, fruits. Now let's try to write. How do you write fruits? In Chinese character in ancient China, we use character as a mark. So mostly these character from the real sense, such as if we see a person and person they just work like this. So we write person and this. So we always follow by this picture. Now let's see why we write like this. I will give you something here. Can you see that? What's that? Can you guess? It looks like what? It's like water. Can you see that? River, stream, and sea, right? Whatever river or sea, it have a lot of water, right? So Chinese water, we read it as 水. Follow me, 水. Yes, no, let's see. Let's write the middle one, okay? 树沟, follow me. Write it. Write on your notebook. 树沟 first in the middle. Can you see that? Then there are left side 横撇. Left side 横撇. When you finish, please tell me. Okay, then the right part 横撇. Yeah, this one means water, 水, 水. Could you please show me what you write? This character? Show me your notebook like this. You can show me on the camera, then I can say. Okay? Oh, you write very well. Great. Wow, you still drawing this picture? Wow, you're drawing very well. Okay, this is a 水 means water, and in the future, if you know that, you can try to write this character as 水. Okay? Then I will show you another one. You see, this is a field. The farmer, they working in this field, right? This field has a tree. This is a tree. Can you see that? This field has a tree. This tree has so many fruits, right? So let's see. Fruits in Chinese we see 果, 果. So let's write the field first. It's like this. It's very easy. You just copy that. This is a field. Field. Copy that. Okay. Then let's try to write how to write tree. A tree here. Tree made by wood, right? So make it bigger here. You see, this tree has ground. So let's put the ground here. Ground here. This ground. Then it's branch. This is branch. Let's put the branch here. And on the left, there are some roots. On the right, here also some roots here. So it's 撇 and 捺. So 水果 means fruits. Okay, this one is more easy, right? Field and a tree here. Okay, can you show me your 果? Wow, you drawing very well. And your pinyin also write very well. Okay, that's 水果. And now, if I sweep it and I just put this picture and pinyin here, can you try to write this character again by yourself? 水果. Can you write it? Write on your notebook. 水果,水果. You can turn over another paper. Okay. Try to write 水 and 果. When you finish, please tell me. Okay, I believe you. I know you can join and write very well. Uh-huh. Is that difficult? Wow, already finished. Very good. I see you write the first character is 果, second character is 水. Very good. And please attention, fruits. This word, Chinese we read it as 水果. So in the future, if you write the words, you should write 水 first and then write 果. Okay? Okay. So like this, we're writing like this. 水果 means fruits. 水果. Okay, you go very well.
Okay, that's all for today's lesson. Leave your comments below to tell us what topics you want to learn next. Don't forget to click down below to subscribe to our channel. We have new videos coming out every week. Thanks for watching and see you next time. 再见。